Welcome back to my channel. Oh my god. Today we are filming this makeup tutorial. It's like a turquoise bronzy looking like makeup look. The look that we did today in this video, and the only way that you will find out is if we go and watch it. So yeah, I don't have pretty much like a lot to say. There was a little fail on the video. You might wanna go watch it because I started playing with glitter and it was a complete fail. Shitty fail. I even said that I was gonna throw it away. That's how big of a fail it was. Alright, today I'm gonna try this for the first time. I have never heard of this brand before. This is called Dr. Roebuck's Face, the ultimate anti-aging moisturizer for all skin types. It's a moisturizer, and you guys know I lately have been moisturizing a lot, but it's really watery. It's white. To have an actual mirror, so if you see me looking this way, it's because very moisturizing. Even though you're oily like me, you're supposed to moisturize your face always before your makeup because it accentuates more your face, and like your makeup sets more and it lasts longer and it looks more smooth. For today's palettes, I am using the Jaclyn Hill palette and the Subculture palette. I kind of want to go for like this orange color on the bottom of my eye. We'll see how the whole look goes. I know that I saw this girl on Pinterest and I got inspired by her, and I said I'm gonna do that, but like I'm also gonna include this chrome brownish color. My transition, I'm gonna go in with this color from the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm gonna mix this one with this one. I'm gonna take a more of a dark color. I'm actually gonna go in with this color. I'm gonna go now with this one. I don't know if this is the shade Pukey. I keep forgetting. I'm gonna go in with, I think I'm gonna take this color right here. I'm gonna go in with the glitter. Last time I worked with this glitter, the silver one, I made a mess all over my face, but it's okay because the good thing is that you can sweep it off. So I'm gonna take the Shape Tape and I'm gonna put dots on top of that turquoise. Hopefully it doesn't screws up the blue. Do this with your eyes closed, you guys, like this. Please, it's too wistful. I mean, it's pretty, but you can barely see it, like barely. I'm gonna have to work faster with the concealer. Okay, this is a complete fail. Like, it's not helping. I don't know what the hell to do with this eye. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go with a brown, like a brown glitter eyeshadow. I have this shade from the Kat Von D. This is Bow and Arrow. I'm gonna swatch it for the first time to see. I think I've swatched it before. Wow, look at this. I have like a whole bunch of colors in here. Mauvey brownish color. But I don't know if it's gonna go with this color. Oh, I just went for it. Okay, we're gonna apply it. Okay, this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna mix it with Ophelia. It looks really pretty. I like the color, but I feel like it doesn't match as... Wow, this is blocking my light. I didn't know it was. The mirror. This is the finished look. This gold, you guys, this gold is everything. And then I put like that orangey color from this Culture palette. Pop of color, I like it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. I really enjoyed it, and this was definitely not a fail. I also love this lip combo. This might be my new second favorite shade. Yeah, I will see you guys on my next video.